Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Average Joe's Garage. Today is Tuesday, the day I talked about last week in my video. Today is the day that we get mods put on the car. So, without further ado, let's start our journey. Random thought while driving down the highway. Slogans. You know, what if Dodge would have come up with a slogan for the Charger like Pepsi did? Like, Charger, the choice of every generation. Or what if, instead of Jeep having as a Jeep thing, it was a Charger, you know? It's a Charger thing. Everyone understands. You know, maybe something like that. Just a thought. We're at the muffler shop. This place does amazingly good work. Muffler Man, Midland, Michigan. All right, everybody, here we are. There's the X-pipe. We're gonna start right there. We're gonna go all the way back. New pipe, 2.5s, out the back. With some Super 10's. Alright, here we are. All cleared out. New X-pipe is in the stock location. Well, almost. Go back from it. But we are on our way, boys. Girls, to having some kick-ass exhaust. And there they are. There's the Super 10's. She's gonna be a beast. So I might have forgot to mention, we are doing 2.5-inch pipe from the curve back. So new pipe all the way with new mufflers, and so that's what we're doing. It does sound good. please like, subscribe, comment, and even hit the bell for notifications if you'd like to see more from Average Joe's Garage.